In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram app, go into your DMs, and then open up conversation that got Vanish mode turned on. So now I got such conversation, and to disable Vanish mode I need to do the following. I need to tap and hold on the bottom of that space and bring it on to the very top and release the finger. So that's how it works. Now Vanish mode was disabled for that conversation. To enable it again I need to do the following, not like that, but make a long move, tap and hold and bring it over to the top to enable or disable Vanish mode for the specific conversation. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.